Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, right now I'm going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro. This is actually an upgrade from the iPhone 16 Pro that I got on Boost Mobile last year. So every year you're eligible for an upgrade through the Boost Mobile website. So basically what you need to do is you need to qualify and get the $65 plan and then just pay monthly for an entire year. And then after the year's up, you're eligible for an upgrade for another device. So let's go ahead and open up this box. All right, so here we go. Now, the thing that's really weird is that this phone was supposed to come in a couple weeks ago. And we waited, and it's finally here. I guess they didn't have it in stock. So here we go. Here is the box. All right. Boost. Well, it's a big box for a small little phone. All right, so I don't even know what this is here. This is, okay, this is the box for the trade-in. So you have to send your other phone back. So the 16 Pro is going to be going back. And this is the iPhone 17 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the box. Thin box, obviously. This isn't going to come with a charger, but it probably will have a charging cable in it. As you can see, the box is nice. This looks like a white. I believe it's white. I can't remember the color. That's how long it's been since to put the order in. So this will be my wife's phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing here. All right, so let's go ahead and peel this off and peel this off here. All right, let's go ahead and put this down. Lift it up slowly and put everything to the side. And you can see that's actually the actual size is on the size of the box, the size of the phone. And wow, this looks awesome. Check that out. Look at that. Wow, that's so beautiful. It's got weight to it. Wow, this design is really, really nice. Oh, I'm totally digging it, man. I was getting so bored with the same design from Apple for the last 10, 15 years. Even since the 2000, the 2020 and 19, I think, since the iPhone 11 came out, they haven't changed much. So, all right, let's go ahead and take this off. Wow. Okay, here we go. Peel off the back. And I don't even think this peels off. So this is the way it is. Wow, that's cool. That's like a two-tone. That looks great. Wow, amazing. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power it up and see if it has any juice. I'm going to power this up. All right. See if there's any juice in here. And the rest of the box just has this cable here. It's a little different material, but it is a Type-C, so that's good to see. And no brick in the box. Put the box to the side. And put everything here to the side. And try to get this phone set up. So let me set this phone up, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So I ended up setting the phone up. What I did was I transferred the number from my iPhone 16 Pro to this phone. It was actually very simple. Once I went through the prompt to update the phone, it basically just kind of asked me if I wanted to transfer the existing phone number over. So they've already linked this phone to my previous account, or to the current account actually that we have with the iPhone 16 Pro. And it transferred the number over automatically, basically. So it's a very simple process through eSIM. So all these new phones now, they run with eSIM, guys. So you don't have to worry about, having a physical SIM card. Although I do like the physical SIM card. I actually prefer the physical SIM card so that I don't have to go through a hassle of the eSIM all the time, and you have to go through the software and all that stuff. With the physical SIM card, you can just pop it out and put it into another device, and you're good to go, man. But this is the future, this is the now, so you got to kind of go with the flow and go with the eSIM, I guess. So anyway, this is the phone. It feels really, really nice. It's kind of got a Pixel vibe to it. I think it's got a Pixel vibe to it. The camera visor in the back, I think, is kind of like a Pixel, but it's really not, because it's a triple cameras, but it's they're kind of triangular here instead of one line across the bar like that goes like that. So all in all, I mean, I really like the look. I think this one, it looks really, really good. I mean, big upgrade compared to what the previous models. You know, if you had an iPhone 13, 14, 15, you couldn't tell the difference from the back. Even the 16, pretty much. With this one, you can definitely tell the difference. So this is really, really cool. I like this two-tone. This kind of reminds me of the Pixel Panda, the Pixel 2, because they kind of had like a different two-tone color. But this is really, really nice. Really, really good. Buttons are clicky. Let's go here. Let me punch in this again. Get to the screen. And yeah, here we go. This is the phone. Super fast, 120 hertz refresh rate. Feels really, really nice. I mean, like I said, I think speed-wise, I mean, it's probably not going to be a huge jump from the Pixel. I mean, I keep saying Pixel, from the iPhone 16 Pro, because it's using the same chip. It's the A19. But, you know, as you got this one's got the 48 megapixel, same kind of camera. I think the system's pretty much the same camera system, 48 megapixels. It's also got a 4x zoom, 18 megapixel front-facing camera. So I think camera department, you guys know iPhones are pretty boss, so you're not going to have any issues. But so far, I mean, I am totally digging it. This is definitely the best design that Apple's ever come out with. Just look at that. I mean, this is just pretty to look at, man. Totally cool. Like, I would definitely say throw a case on here, because if you don't have a case, man, you don't want this thing dropping. Although it's not really like it's like, you know, feels, you know, smooth in the back, but, you know, it'll still scratch. It'll still scratch. You don't want to scratch it, but it's definitely doesn't feel like it's going to just, you know, crack if you drop it. Like, you have some glass back phones, if you drop them, they're going to crack. This is definitely not one of those. So I think this is going to hold up really, really well. And got Type-C, beautiful. I like that. The color is just so cool. Look at that. Really, really nice. So anyways, guys, I'm going to work, you know, I'm going to mess around with this phone a little bit, and I'll do a updated review. But, you know, for now, I think, you know, this is really, really cool. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, click like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.